So my dear friends, I am back with the solution of given exercise. Okay, the question was you have to remove the occurrence of 20 number 20 from the list. That means the number 20 is repeating in my list, that you have to remove that number. Okay, so let's see how to do that first of all. Okay, so for that list 2, okay, dot list, then we will use here set keyword, and then my list 1. Okay, then after that I will tell it has to remove list 2 dot remove. Okay, then what I have to remove actually, that is number 20. Fine, so I have to remove number 20 here. Then after that obviously I am going to print my list 2. Clear? Control S and let's run the program and see the output. Okay guys, you can see here in the output the number 20 is removed. Okay, but what if you want number 20 also, but not in the repeated sequence? Okay, like you can see in your created list, number 20 is repeating 4 times. So you want the number, but yes, of course you don't want the repeated number. Fine, so what will you do now? By using this method, you can see what is happening. One is you are losing the order of the list, huh? And the another thing is the number that is repeating, that is also removed from there. Okay, so overcome this, let's see something else also. Okay, suppose I'll just let me comment it out, and then let's check the output here. So now you can have all the numbers in the list. Okay, no number is repeating here in the list. So we have 40, 10, 50, 20, 30. Okay, there is no repetitive numbers are there in the list. Fine, so now there is one another method. Okay, you know, obviously, yes, of course there are many more methods to do this. Let's discuss 2 or 3 methods more here. Okay, so next is, let me comment it out first. Okay, so I am using here now naive method. Okay, so what is the use of naive method here now? See, I already declared my list here, that is with the name list 1. Fine, so I already initialized. So next is I have to print. Okay, so I was telling you that what is it actually, naive method. So it simply transfers the list and append the first occurrence of the element in new list. Okay, first occurrence of the element in new list, and ignore all other occurrences of that particular element. Okay, so let's see. Fine, so I will, to remove the duplicated items from the list, we will use the which method? Naive method. Okay, so let's write down print. Okay, then after that I will write here the original list is fine. So I want my original, I want to display my original list. Fine, so string, that is list1. Okay, so I want this now. Fine, the original list is great. Okay, I will make one empty list. Okay, new list, that is blank. I will create here blank list so that I can append the list. Okay, so I will check here for I in list1. Okay, for I in list, oh god, I am writing wrong. Okay, for I in list1, fine, then I will use if I not in. Okay, if I not in new list. Okay, that is my empty list now. Fine, so what it has to do, it has to append new list dot append I. Okay, with the number. Okay, now what I have to do, so I am printing list also, print list after removal. Okay, so how to do that, so I will simply write down print the list after removal of duplicate numbers. Okay, so what I'll do, plus, okay, string, then I will write here new list. Okay, fine, so this is what I have to do here. Fine, but the thing is that let me write down here few more numbers so that it will be more clear to you. 10. Okay, so let me clear this. Okay, control S. Okay, so let's see the output now. Now you can see here, this was my original list. Okay, now the list after removal of duplicate numbers, this is my the new list. Okay, that is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So there is no loss of order. Okay, there is no number is repeating here in the list, so you can see easily with the help of naive method. Clear? So this was my naive method. Fine, so what is the another method? Might be there is, yes, of course there would be another method also. Okay, that is using set, that I already used and I have shown you. So that was the most popular way, okay, by which duplicated numbers are removed from the list. But the main and the notable drawback of this method is that the ordering of the element is lost in this particular method, that we already seen in the first method that we have used here. Okay, so the next is the quick and the fast method, that is using from keys. Okay, using the from keys here. Fine, so let's see. So let's check the fastest method now. Okay, that I told you we will use here from keys. Okay, so let me comment it out all the things. Okay, okay, fine. So let's move forward. Okay, so here we will use collections dot order dictionary dot from keys. Okay, so here I will write down now, fine, from, okay, collections import. So I am importing here ordered dictionary, fine. Now I already, I already have declared initialized my list, fine. So let me copy it, control X, and let me paste here, fine. Now after that, what I have to do, I will simply again write the original list. Let me copy from here only because I already have written. Okay, control C, control V. Okay, after that, what I'll do, I will simply use the collection dot order dictionary dot from keys to remove the duplicate entries from the list. Okay, so let's see a new list that I already have with me, fine. After that, I will write here list, okay, ordered dictionary dot from keys, here list 1. Okay, this is my, fine. So I'm using here ordered dictionary. Okay, now after that I want the list that is to be printed. Okay, so I will write here, just commented out for referral, printing the list after removal. Okay, so what is to be done, same thing that I already written here, this one, control C, and this one, control V. So control S. Okay, I am running my program and let's check. Oh my god, so it is saying that it is not defined. Okay, ordered dictionary, fine. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, then fine, dictana, this is fine, exactly, from keys, control S, let me run the program. Now you can see here the original list, okay, 10 20 30 and all that, and the list after removal, the same that we were getting in the previous methods, that is 10 20 30 40 50. So this is how you can easily remove the duplicate numbers from the list. I hope these methods are clear to you, and there should not be any doubt. I hope that. Okay, thank you for watching my video.